back with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be throwing the drift wheels back onto the M2. We're gonna go pick up some new tires and we're gonna be trying to slide almost every single turn on the way there. I got the homie Dusty here, he's behind the camera, as you guys know, and yeah, let's just hop right up into it. No gym today, so you know what I'm saying?
That boy just carrying wood, but deep down I want him to carry my wood.
Alright, tell me when I'm good.
Alright. Bro. Oh, you good? Oh!
What did it do?
It was just skidding a little bit, but it should be, I mean, if you go back to like, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, because sometimes when I do that shit, the wood just goes up, bro, and it's like, it's like when I wake up.
I was about to say that shit when I wake up. We just got that high test.
My test has been going up, bro. It's bad. Bro, cut the camera real quick.
No, we gotta get this on camera.
Bro, nah. Like, motherfuckers like...
Precise strokes.
Yeah, I'm just looking to break the car. Alright, let me grab the wheel.
That boy just be cranking. Give me some noggin. Yeah. What are you just doing? Admiring the M4?
Yeah, like I have to get behind you. Like I'm in the driver's seat, passenger side, swinging. So should I put the good tire on the right? I should put the shitty tire on the left. Because I'm not going to be hitting too many to the left. I'm going to be, well, no.
I had a 1.7.
Yeah, so I mean, we're going to be making more left turns than right turns.
So that way. So,
yeah, so I'm going to need the shitty tire on the left side. Because we're going to have all the weight on the right side.
On the inner side. I guess, yeah, the better tire should, oh my god, bro. We're just going to get pummeled. The good tire should be on the inner side.
Nah, I think on the outer.
No, the good ones, right?
The good one should be on the outside. Because that's more weight.
Oh, yeah, because the weight would be pushed more to the outside.
Yeah,
Speaking.
Because of inertia and Newton's laws and shit. I don't know, I dropped out of college, bro.
I didn't even go to college, dude.
Yeah. It doesn't take a dumbass to make bread, bro.
She's so fine, though. Good enough charge, too.
Dude. We used Ant's fucking bit last time, bro.
We're just trying to put together motherfucking random.
What was I doing? I need to be able to get this shit to work. There's no way I'm cranking that shit out, bro.
Alright, dude. I need to think about it. My asshole probably couldn't get in the lug nut spot. But just for purpose, I think my ass might be to squeeze harder.
My dick might fit.
Well, think about it too. Is like your hands are pretty strong, but like you're all right, dude.
Now we just have like, I think that shit will be the way.
Mo just has the fucking 3 foot long bit.
Dude, why the fuck is this such a big body bitch?
Sometimes you need a cheeseburger, though.
Maybe I just need to crank them.
Maybe you just need a cheeseburger.
Boom, 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 boom.
Is that a girl?
Yeah. She cool as shit. You know what I'm saying? Show the people what you eating, okay?
Eat cheese and eggs, boy.
All right, it's now the next morning. I know I didn't record any of that sliding, but we are sliding today, and we already did a couple turns, and man, it is saucy right now. I'm not even gonna lie. We got the drift sauce out. We got the nice pick-me-ups, and we're just gonna go ahead, hit some good back roads, and slide like almost every turn that we find. All right, we're up in the car, finally, and now it's time to show you guys some good sliding clips, y'all boys, so just stay tuned. It grips really well though. Like,
it does.
And then as soon as you want it to go though, you just gotta get it up there in the RPM.
Alright, maybe not slide around this far.
Okay, I want to. It grips so well, bro. You just gotta catch it at the right RPM. Damn, that shit is almost overflowing, bro. That's fucked up. Should I get a quick edit of the car?
Yeah. Give some time to catch up to that fool. Yeah, that lake is moved pretty fast.
I killed Paul Allen, and I liked him. There is an idea of a Patrick Bateman, some kind of abstraction, but there is no real me.
this.
Yeah, we would have hydroplated that right
Oh yeah. Easy.
I just gotta start
shit.
getting it into second gear a little bit earlier so I can maintain the slide.
The gunshots.
I know, dude, it sounds so good around the like a track setting. We're only on like the throttle like 35%, 40%. That's the craziest thing. Dude, that should be sounding fucking insane, bro. It grips, it settles so well. It's like, it's weird. Just exit and
You're tweaking.
Dude, there's a dad and his son walking over there too. Holy shit, that's a fire ass fucking house, dude.
Yeah, that is.
That shit's actually Zah.
They covered it all with the fucking. It looks like a 3-car garage.
If you guys are watching this, stop beating your dick, bro.
Alright,
Don't
dude.
be doing that gooning shit. That shit bad for you. Harness your energy. Harness your testosterone, man. Like me. Yo, that third
That's
gear
sick.
goes crazy.
Bro, what?
Damn, look
Yeah.
at these houses, bro.
This is like a compound type of house. Like,
Yeah, all of these are really like super compoundy, bro. That's tough. Yo, that third gear is sick, bro. Holy
once it's controlled, dude, that shit's fucking butter.
Yo. Bro, they got ostriches, dead ass.
Oh, what?
And
That's.
emu. What am I looking at? Can you see that shit on camera?
You just
I'm
staring.
trying to go pull up on, bro.
Apparently, they're pretty
Dude,
hostile.
his legs
They're
are
like
crossed.
hostile.
What the fuck?
What is that? A fucking
There's two
wolf?
of them.
Is that a lamb or a wolf? Might be a lamb.
Yeah,
Wait,
it's
there's
a
another
lamb,
one in the
not a
corner.
wolf. I think if it was a wolf, those things would be fucking
Eating,
dead.
yeah. What are those? Horses or donkeys? Or
Alpaca?
alpacas?
And a donkey.
Bro, you're just playing real life Minecraft.
No, this is a Minecraft house for real.
That's
We should just go
nuts.
like pull up. We should have hit their fucking thing and be like, yo, can
Run
we just
through
come
the
check out the
gate.
animals?
Yeah, no, they probably have hella. Like, what's over there?
I don't even know. We're gonna go down here though, see what's poppin'. Damn, that third, I should have stayed in second a bit longer. Damn, that shit settles so nice, bro. No! Yo!
Dude, I'm actually dizzy as fuck.
All right, y'all, we just finished up over here. We're gonna go ahead and just dip back to the crib. There's a lot of sliding, a lot of beating on the fucking cars, so it's time to just go let them rest. And it's also fucking damn near snowing. It's like, I guess it's hail, but yeah, that shit ass. To finish off the day, I got myself some Pancheros, picked some up for my dad as well. Hey, look at the crow. And yeah, we're gonna hop back up in the car. I got hella rice, hella carnitas, and yeah, only because I am really trying to bulk. So I eat Pancheros a good amount because I have been putting on some good amount of muscle, and I want to continue doing so in the gym. So that said, that might have to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna go relax, edit this, and you guys are probably watching this on a Monday if you guys are watching on the day that it's uploaded, but if not, it might be another day. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed all of the good content from today. It was a lot of it, so I'm sure this might be a long video, but yeah, with that being said, we're just gonna go home, enjoy a nice God-given meal on a beautiful God-given day, even though it is raining. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.